Hi, welcome to ProgrammingKT. I am explaining about the problem is finding second max element from a given unsorted array. So the rule is without sorting we need to find second maximum element. So in this case second maximum element is 29. So first is 48. So I need to find 29 for this input. So let me write logic for that. Finding second maximum element for given unsorted array. So first I am trying to create an integer array. I am taking variable name is array. So here I am taking values as it is from the input. So now the input is okay. So I am trying to write one method called find second max. That method is expecting parameter is type is array, which I created here. So now let me try to create this method. So from this method I am trying to return second maximum number. So let me try to return um, for now I am returning 0 to avoid compilation error. So here I am trying to write logic. Once logic is done I will return second max element. So first I am trying to create two variables called maximum. I am considering 0th element is the maximum element and one more element is S max, that is second maximum element. I am considering least value integer data type that can hold. Why? Because if the array contains all negative numbers, in that case also I need to handle. For that I am considering least value. So next I am trying to iterate array from index 1. Why? Because index 0 I already consider it as a maximum element. So at the time of iterating I am checking array of ith index element is greater than maximum element. So I am trying to update maximum element. So before that, now if the condition is true, now max element becomes second max, max element is, array of ith index element is become max. So before that I am trying to assign S max to max. Now max is become to S max, array of ith index element becomes to max. So now I am trying to assign max to array of ith element. So one more condition I need to handle here, else if. So here any element at the array index I that is less than to maximum element greater than to S max. So for that, to update second max element. So is there any element that is greater than S max? Array of ith index element is greater than S max and array of ith index element not equal to max. Why? Because if I didn't write this condition, it will now max and S max becomes same. So why? Because here the condition will fail. Let us say imagine 10 is the maximum element. Again I am getting 10. So 10 greater than, is there any duplicate element? In that case I am explaining. So 10 greater than 10, it will become false, right? So it will immediately enter into else if. So in this case, let us say till now S max is contains 9. So in this case 9 is 9 is greater, 10 is greater than 9. It will be true if I did not handle this. Now max and S max both contains 10. To overcome that I write this condition. So it must not be max and that element must be greater than S max. So I am trying to update S max is array of ith index element. So finally I am trying to return S max. So now let me try to write one assout to print that result. Find second max. Now let me try to run. Now we got the output, right? 29 we are expecting. It is returning 29. So without sorting, I write the logic for finding second max. So let me try to change. Try to pass number of test cases. So I am testing the logic with multiple input. So in this case, set max is 2. Now let me run one more time. So it is working as expected, and let me run one more time. So I will give 3 elements. So second max is till we have 2. Now let me give all negative data. Array contains all negative data. The list, array must be in unsorted order. So now second max element becomes, I think, -2. So we need to, we are expecting -2 is the second max element for this logic. So let me try to run. Yeah, exactly, it is returning -2 is the second max element from all negative elements from the array. The array is in not sorted order. So let me try to maximize, try to align properly. So this is the logic for finding second max element without sorting. So if you found the content is valuable and you learned something new, please subscribe Programming KT and hit on like button. Thank you.